Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you guys how I install these gorgeous burgundy locks from Toyotress. Keep watching, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.
Ooh.
You guys, I love the finished look. I think it is just really pretty for the fall. This is the Toyotress Goddess Locks, and they are 22 inches. That's the length. And then the color is T-Burgundy, as y'all can see. And I got 6 pieces of this, so I only used about 3. So I have 3 left to repeat this style again. And I think, you know, everything comes in this bag. I think it is a bargain because you can do this twice for that price. I will link this hair down below if y'all want to check it out and get yourself something nice for the fall. I think this is a nice fall color, and it's just really different for me because I've never done burgundy before. Thank you all for watching. Please hit that subscribe button to continue to support me, and you know, give this video a thumbs up and leave me comments if you have questions. Just put it all down there, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video.